Hi and welcome to Agile Ticketing Solutions video tutorial. Today we're going to go over how to look up an existing order in POS. There's a couple of ways that you can actually look up orders in POS. The first way is to go into the maintenance button here, and you can enter in either the order number, the last name, the customer number. You can even search by credit card or gift card. You can search by last orders you sold or maintained. You can scan the barcode to pull up that order, or you can look it up based on the membership. So I'm going to click on last orders, and you can see here I have my last order that I processed, and I'm going to open that order up and I'm going to make my change. So I'm going to change this to a member ticket, and I'm going to proceed, and then we're going to refund the difference. Now the other way you can look up orders is if you are looking at the very last order that you sold. So I'm going to go ahead and process an order. I'm going to go ahead and say no change here, and you can see here it turned yellow, and we've got the little magnifying glass that says maintain last order. So if I click on that, that's going to take it straight to maintenance and open that particular order so I can make any adjustments, edits, or add to the existing order. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to contact us at support@agiletix.com.